Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your iPhone 15 Pro isn't connecting to the Wi-Fi network. First of all, make sure that the Wi-Fi network that you're using or want to use is accessible by other devices around you. So try connecting to it on other devices and make sure that they can connect to it and there is no issue with the Wi-Fi network itself. And then once you are sure of that, go to your settings, then go to your Wi-Fi settings, find your network in here. Now let me try enter the password to this Wi-Fi. And if after connecting to it you see no signal, or maybe your phone simply isn't able to reach any web services, what we have to do is tap the info icon next to this Wi-Fi, and then select forget this network and confirm. And then try to reconnect to it by entering the password to it once again. Tap OK. And if the problem persists, we can reset network settings on this smartphone, which will result in resetting all the basically resolving all the possible Wi-Fi issues, but it will also affect your Bluetooth devices. So all of your Wi-Fis that are currently saved on your phone, as well as Bluetooth devices, will be erased, and you're gonna have to repair to your Bluetooth with your Bluetooth devices, and also reconnect to the Wi-Fi networks that you have saved on your smartphone. However, to do that, to reset your network settings, go to Settings, then open General menu, and scroll all the way to the down of this list, and then select all the way to the bottom of this list, then select Transfer or Reset iPhone, select Reset, and then Reset Network Settings. Confirm, and wait until your phone is restarted, which may take about 2 minutes. And after your networks are reset, go back to Settings, go to your Wi-Fi networks, select your network once again, enter the password to it once again, and after that the problem should be gone, and you should right now be able to freely use your Wi-Fi network. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.